Hold up. Let me make it small. Okay. What's up, guys? Welcome to a brand new video. Today we'll be reacting to SMG4 Mario screws in a light bulb. So before the video starts, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, comment below if you like more videos like this. So then let's continue on with the video. Have you guys ever experienced that glitch where you no clip under the map or out of the map? I never raged because of that. I raged over a bunch of things, but not no clipping out of the map. Damn, that's so high up. It's not like you're afraid of heights.
I did it. Well, thank God I have a spare.
Damn it, Mario.
Just hold this tone and I'll go home. Mario, we all know things are gonna end up on fire if you do anything. So please just stand there and be useless.
Oh, mamma mia! So long, Toad.
Oi, keep it still, Toad!
Oh no.
So this is how I died.
Oh, tapi para to tarbato ludo. Not mean, not mean, not mean. Not mean.
The fuck are you looking at his ass for?
My name is Cleveland Brown. My name is Cleveland Brown. My name is Cleveland Brown. My name is
Okie dokie. Easy for me. Oh, you got Mario thinking now.
What the fuck? What the fuck is going on in his brain? That is no way to make tranquility acquired. What does that even mean? Oh, I hate when that happens.
Hold it still. You little
Ooh. Iowa. No. No, SMG4 is still up there. Mario, what are you doing? You broke the ladder. I expected him to kick him in the balls.
Well, that was the only ladder we had.
Oh, you got Mario thinking now.
Okay. Oh, the last time he used those was in Mario 64, right? That was the last time he used it, right?
Shoot it down.
Just like with this tiny spy balloon.
Too big. It's very too big.
Ooh. Wrong thing. Oh, what the f- Just like in the episode of South Park where they try building a ladder to heaven. Toad, don't do them like that. Toad, no. No. No, Toad. God damn it, Toad. Damn it, Toad. to screw in the light bulb. What am I gonna say?
Yes, Mario. Looks like we can fix the light bulb.
Oh, mamma mia.
This is a YouTube video. Anything's possible. Wow. Good way to break the fourth wall.
What's going on here? Eto, sono lavato, l'abito.
Mario, screw the damn light bulb in!
Are you ready for a miracle?
This light bulb doesn't. Hold on, this light bulb doesn't fit, dumbass.
Eto, sono lavato, l'abito.
Just force it in!
That's not a good idea. If I know a light bulb's not the right light bulb, I don't force it in. That I might electrocute myself that way. And look what you did. You shut off the whole kingdom, the whole world's power.
Wow, I hate that.
They're ghosts.
Can't touch me. Can't touch me.
Oh wow, they can touch you, but you can't touch them.
Scramble like an egg before you get folded like an omelet. We do a little trolling. It's called we do a little.
Please be Luigi. Hey, it's Luigi.
I'm a superstar. Yoo-hoo.
They did.
We're so happy to see you. We just wanted to replace a light bulb. Now the power's out.
Luigi, come natuturo sa reparo.
That giant super light bulb.
Operas ka ng prangkwan ko naman ang titro naman. Todo naman tayo sa unang panahon. Oto no tunita na tunna na sa nato ng kanarang sa natin na narapitan ni Tiniti.
Wow, it's pretty convenient you had this on you then, huh?
No, sinasara, pero konite no tonite. Yung Super Luigi Mansion full.
When is the next Luigi's Mansion
Up to
game?
us then.
I bet.
That's how I'm patiently waiting for another Smash Bros. I don't play Nintendo games. I mean, I have played Mario before and Mario Odyssey, but I mostly play Sega games. As you can tell, I played Sonic Frontiers. Right. I played Sonic Frontiers, and you guys know this.
Want enlargement pills?
No thanks. No thanks. My you know what's already in the launch. My you know what is already the right size. They want it. Don't fall for those P-Hub ads. They're probably a scam. Don't ask how I know.
Defeat it now, bitch!
Oh no.
I'm about to whip somebody's ass.
Look, Mario, do the thing again. I expected it to be like a hole in the ground. Nothing's happening.
Eccolo tutto, e saprete.
What? No! This was meant to work! Come on, you stupid piece of shit!
Stand back! I'm warning ya!
Error. Cannot sue.
Oh, yung mamma mia, tutto parliamo tutto gravato.
Freedom.
La la la! La la la! I told you already! Told won't work! Shh!
Super Saiyan Toad. Toad going Super Saiyan. Now Super Saiyan Blue. Now I think Ultra Instincts maybe. Ultra Instincts is my favorite. Reminds me of Dark Sonic.
I did it! I saved the world! Well, that was a load of shit.
More like caused the death. Okay guys, I'm ending the video there. If you guys like this video, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, comment down below if you want to see more videos like this. And follow me on Twitter, leave a link in the description. Again, like and subscribe, comment down below if you want to see more videos like this. Until then, I'll see you guys next time.
You're now listening to Cam Bam's radio, bitch.
I feel like I was a fire.